From my childhood, I always dreamt of becoming a businesswoman. So at that time, women were not much entering into business, but I was determined to do so. I opened my advertising agency, and then I gradually entered into training young individuals for becoming an advertising professionals. We undertook a lot of designing campaign, advertising campaign for corporate houses, then jewelry showrooms, FMCG groups, and Mastermind was among the top 10 agencies of Odisha. Then my interest shifted to another sector, and that was hospitality. So I opened my Excel Home Guest House at that time when guest house concept was not much in common in Odisha. When everything was going smoothly, life was at its best, suddenly life changed and I met with a terrible car accident while coming from Kolkata to Bhubaneswar. Life changed completely. I was diagnosed with spinal cord injury. The doctors told me that I will be on wheelchair for life. I hopped from one hospital to another just to get cured. But alas, it didn't happen. A spinal cord injury can never be cured. So I had two options in life. Either to lie on bed and crib of what has happened to me, or get back into life, start my work again and bounce back. So I opted for the second, and my normal life started once again. My husband was a great support to me because he encouraged me to do whatever I was doing from the beginning. When I was coming to terms with my life on wheelchair, another tragedy struck me, and it was worse than the first. I lost my friend, philosopher and guide, my dear husband, Professor Tathagata Datta. And I was left all alone in this world, trying to cope up with everything all alone. At this point, my business was hijacked, my staff was taken away from me, and I was told to vacate the premises that I was doing my business. I was in terrible problem. I had lost my livelihood and I really didn't know what to do. But I still didn't give up. My strong willpower and my inner conscience told me that no, you have to again bounce back. You have to again do whatever you were doing before. This is the point when I thought that I must work for my differently abled community. So I opened Mastermind Livelihood. In this, I trained differently abled people with vocational training where they can earn their livelihood. The group consisted of deaf and dumb people, orthopedically disabled people, and even women. And this gave me immense happiness. When I was training them, I can feel that they are all very interested in this and they all wanted to have a living for themselves. At this point, I met Sri Nitin Chandra, our Principal Secretary for Department of Social Security and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, and Ms. Mansi Nimble, Director, and I shared my desire to work for the differently abled community on livelihood. So they agreed with me and Vriddhi Training Cum Production Center was born. It was a SHG group where we worked specially with intellectual disabled people and giving them training and employing them in the production center. The group is engaged in manufacturing natural handmade soaps, then beautiful designer candles, floating candles, Chandan Agarbatti, and we are selling this, and whatever are the sale proceeds, it's being distributed among the group. At present, we have nearly 25 people, and along with their family members, Vriddhi Exotica is our brand name for natural handmade soaps. And my dream is to make this a national brand where the whole company will be managed by only differently abled young adults and their family members. When I see the smile in their faces, I think my life's goal has been achieved. And to me, success is not about money or luxury. It's about the person who you are working with, how much they love you and how much they think about you. That is important to me. So my children at Vriddhi, they are a very happy people. They know that they are earning money. They are having a livelihood for themselves. So these are the qualities which inspires me and which makes me feel very happy. People often ask me that why I smile so much. I think it's because of my work. It's the intense pleasure and happiness which I get from my work. And Vriddhi helps me to keep me energized, to helps me to bring happiness in the lives of others. And in these challenging times, I am extremely happy and proud to be associated with the group Vriddhi. I would like to add one more thing, that I got inspired, listening to Vivekananda. I would just quote one message from his. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Just believe in it.